Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So today we have got in front of us Peugeot 206 SW. Lovely, beautiful thing. And it is very practical, it's very slow, but it's not nearly stupid enough for this channel. So I want to do something to make it a little bit more stupid, and that is I'm going to fit one of them. And as you can see, if we look here, right, if we cover that up and cover that up, it is fully road legal. And this is the arm what we're gonna aim to replace. Yes. And what have we got to do to fit it? Well, really what we should do is we should find the arm, we should get a feed from the arm, get it to power a relay, which then powers the Klaxon, because it might take too many amps for the fuse and the circuit for the arm. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to plug it straight to the wires, and it'll be like on Money Pit with Tom Hanks when he presses the doorbell and all the wiring around the car will burn out. But if that happens, it happens. Anyway, to get to the arm. And now we are in my natural habitat. We are struggling on the floor underneath some shit car. I need to take this off. By the way, this video will also double up as, I suppose, how to access and change the arm on a Peugeot 206. Because I'll be showing that bit by accident, won't I? The arm is there. Right, so to remove the original arm, if we look where we are, this is the right hand side of the car. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the front of the car, this is the bottom of the bumper, and there is an arm, and it is held on here with a 13mm bolt, which is there. It's quite hard to film this because there's a pipe in the way, but I need to remove this. Yes. Now that bolt's removed, it should come off. Now up here there is a little hook what it sits into, but it should still come off. And I'm hoping that there's going to be enough wire, which there sort of is, and that is the connector that we're going to wire into for the other arm. But it's not coming out very easy. Now this should just be a case of squeezing that wire clip in, squeezing it together. As you can see down the side of it, there's like a little clip that it holds onto, and then pulling it out. But it is quite a stiff one, so I'm going to need both hands for this. And that leaves us with this, which is now another minor obstacle, because the plug on the horn is one of them, and the plug on the Klaxon is them shitters. So obviously I'm going to carefully just cut this off and not worry about retrofitting it back on in the future, like I should probably be worried about. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to cut that down quite significantly and circumcise the tip off that before putting it back on over these wires. Now, I can't really see what I'm doing here because I've got the phone between me and the job to try and make it so you can see me fucking this up. So just try and strip these wires back. Yes. Yes. Right, so now we do in fact have the correct OEM fittings for the Klaxon arm. And we should be able to plug it in and see what it works like. And here is the arm itself. And as we can see, we've got a plus and a minus on there. The way that this works, I mean, if you wire it the wrong way, all it should do is really go backwards, I think, because that is an electric motor. And inside there, well, inside that bit you have a diaphragm, and what it does is, as the motor spins, is like knobs on the back of that diaphragm, like little bobbles, and the motor has little bobbles on it as well, and as it passes the bobbles, it makes the diaphragm do this, as it sort of rotates with a lump on it, passing a lump on the diaphragm, it pushes it away, and then as it goes past it, it springs back, and it's sort of like how a speaker works, but it's motorised, and that's why they make that noise. The noise, the tone being different at the start of it and at the end of the pressing it, is the motor speeding up and slowing down. Anyway, let's see if the shitter works. Now, without doing any measurement or anything like that, I've decided that the green and yellow wire, synonymous with earth wiring in a house, is going to be the earth, and the pink wire is going to be the power wire. So I'm just hoping it's going to be right. Yes. And so that does in fact function as requested. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed that it's no louder than the original arm, but it's probably about the same loudness as the original arm. It sounds like an alarm on fucking submarine or some shit like that. But I'm just going to cable tie it in place. Fuck it, that'll do. But in the interest of professionalism and what have you, I have actually put an extra one on there, you see, so then it shouldn't fall off, at least until I get home. So let's put that shitter back up. Yes. Fuck knows what happened to that. But it'll do. And now, when approaching a blind bend, as per the highway code, it is more fun than ever. So that's it. That's how to badly install a non-roll legal arm that says Ahooga when you press it. And I think that's pretty much it. If you want a louder arm, then go for an air arm. Or if you want an even louder arm again, then go for the bigger air arm, because like I said, it's no louder than the standard arm, but it's loud enough. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit. I'll see you next time. Yes.